Guys, for today we will be unboxing our gift ko yan from my son. So he ordered it from Shopee. So it's an order from Shopee and he wrapped it nicely. So heavy. You know, actually I have feeling what's this inside this gift, because I always tell him, and I know that he knows my my wish list, and one of them is what I can use for my channel, which is the things that I can use for my exercise. So are you also excited to see what's in this